So today is about, what's day 7, about 3 o'clock into the day. And as you guys know, I had a pretty tough one yesterday. Finally spotted my bear and then only to find the gate closed. So I've got 2 more full days, I think, of hunting after this, which is challenging. So I'm using today to try and scout new locations to try and focus on for my last 2 days. I think I may have found one. I just counted it had 8 locations that I could see from the glassing area, which is phenomenal. But what I'm doing now is checking before I spend a bunch of time glassing that I can get access to those areas that I can see, so that I don't end up in the same situation I was in yesterday. And sure enough, the first one that I check around the corner, and the gate is up. So that takes a couple of them off the table of the 8. Now I will say this, these might be a little bit closer as far as being able to hike in, so that might be a little bit more manageable, but ideally I'd be able to drive up and harvest the bear and go from there. But as you can see, yet again, another road closed sign. And I'd like to tell you that's the first one I've hit today, but that is not the case. There's a mountain range. Let me turn around and show it to you. There's a mountain range way over there. It's beautiful where the snow caps are. The lower foot, so that foothills of that, I went over there earlier, and I had marked a place on Onyx that looked really good, only to get to the base of the hill that I wanted to go up, and again, another closed gate. Look, I love Onyx. I'm an elite member. I use it all of the time. But man, I wish, and I don't know who does it, but I wish somehow or another Onyx would have posted on there what roads are closed. And I don't know if that's an Onyx thing, if that's a state of Idaho thing, but that would save me a lot of effort and energy and time driving to these places that I think were accessible, only to find out that they're not. But anywho, it's one of my lessons learned from yesterday. Another lesson I've learned is that, man, I wish I would have brought some trail cameras. Cellular would not have done me any good because I just don't have any cell signal in most of the places. But I could at least go back and check some of my suspicions, like posting them along the creek lines and stuff like that to see if the traffic is going up and down the creek like I think. So investing in some trail cameras in hindsight would have been a great thing, but we're always learning, we're always adapting, and in this case, I'm always loving these views. Appreciate it. More updates to come. Hey, I was just wheeling along, and I wanted to show you, this is kind of cool. It almost looks like, I don't know if you can see all the little white wraps around the, I guess, the young trees that they're trying to protect, but in some way it kind of reminds me of like Arlington Cemetery with the beautiful white tombstones. But I thought that was really neat. I haven't seen it yet, and I probably bounced around 500 miles so far up in these woods and came across it. I'm pretty close to the Montana-Idaho state line, so more to come. Thanks. Okay, well, it's 6:15 local time. Took me all day to find this place. Matter of fact, I went all the way to the Montana border, actually over to Montana, but this looks like a recent clear cut. It's a ways from everything and everybody else. It was very, very difficult to find. I haven't been into this part at all before, but it's a very gentle slope, as you can see, and it goes for a long way. So I got a lot of glassing areas I can do, and the hill even goes up farther. So as I move down this road, I get different angles up this hill, which can be sizable. That flower that I was told that they like so much is in the field next to me, so I would think that there's got to be some in here. I may not just be seeing them. It's not the ideal elevation. It's at 3,200. But man, that's a lot of easy area. Gentle slopes if I do harvest one to get them out. And I am away from everybody and everything. So I think this may be my spot for tomorrow. See how it goes. The one that's been so productive has so many people on it. And I don't know. That's the game plan right now. I certainly do like the way it's greened up and looking good.